2.3. Determine the values of x for which your inverse function of p is bigger than 1. Okay, let's get our picture back quickly over here. That p value of x, that is our... so let's just write that question down again here. Where this of x was it greater than? Let's double check. Greater than or equal to? Greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so we remember this is y, so they want to know where is this y value bigger or equal to 1. So at some point over there, at some point, so this dotted line I put in there, that dotted line is y equals 1. Okay, at y equals 1, at some point our graph, our y value is equal to 1, right? They want to know what are the x values. So if I walk across like this, what are my x values where the green one is going to be on top of that y equals 1? Okay, so if I go this side, now it is below the y equals 1. So at some point, right, so maybe over here, at some point, the graph starts being below y equals 1. So from somewhere, so we can see from here, right? So from 0 up until somewhere, the graph is on top. The graph is bigger than the positive 1. Okay, so we need to find out first where this graph is equal to 1. Then we can know it's going to be from 0 up until that point. So let's find out where it is equal to 1. We have this equation, right? So that equation we found earlier, and we said it was y. Okay, let's not have y. We said it was log of 1 over 4, log base 1 over 4 of x, and we're going to say equals. We're just going to put the equal sign in there to find out where that's equal to 1. So now we need to solve for x. How do we solve for x here? So we're going to go back from the log form to the exponential form. So the base of your log is going to become your base. This one on this side is going to be your exponent. And whatever is inside the log becomes your subject. Right? So that's nice and easy. X is equal to 1 over 4. So what does this mean? This means when x is 1 over 4, so x somewhere x is 1 over 4. When x is 1 over 4, then this graph is, the y value of the graph is 1. So before 1 over 4, it's on top. After 1 over 4, it's at the bottom. Okay, so the solution to our question, which values of x makes your graph bigger than 1, it is from 0 up until the 1 over 4. They want to know equal, so that needs to be included. 1, the graph, 0 rather, the graph doesn't exist there, so we'll make this round. And then let's say that this is x is an element from there to there. So this is where this graph is bigger than the 1. Okay, if you wanted a different notation, you could have said that x is in between the 1 over 4 and the 0. Make sure that this one's included and that one's excluded. So this notation or that notation, either is the same thing.